Living a fantasy. I think we deserve it right.
Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK. Reluctantly, cause most of this press don't fuck with me. The style once said, tell me cool down. Oh, I cool down.
Hello you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ari. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this sleek breezy hair ponytail I see in the video. So I hope you guys really enjoy this video and stay tuned for the next one. So first I'm starting off by just sectioning my hair into two and putting the front part in a ponytail. The parting doesn't really need to be completely straight. Nobody's going to see it. Afterwards, I'm just adding some leave-in conditioner to my hair and moisturize it. And then I'm just going to section that back piece into two sections. And again, like I already said, the parting really doesn't need to be straight. Next, I'm just going to start detangling that first section. Of course, always starting from the ends of my hair up to the root. And then I'm just going to go on the other side and detangle that section as well. After the back of my hair is all tangled free, I'm going to go in with some gel. You can use any gel of your choice. This is just the gel that works best for my hair. And I'm just going to apply it all around my hair. And then I'm going to go in with a hard bristle brush and sleek my hair down, trying to like mold it into a ponytail kind of. And you guys, look at how well this gel works. Like my hair is stuck. Next up, I'm just going to put my hair in a ponytail using a regular scrunchie. I like the scrunchies that don't have the metal parts on them because they don't rip out my hair. After my first ponytail is all set, I'm just going to create two other small sections and then repeat the same process detangling my hair. And then again, once my hair is all detangled, I'm just going to spray it with that leave-in conditioner on both sections. Once again, I'm just going to go in with some gel, applying it all around my hair, making sure that it's all nice and smooth. And then I'm just going to go in with that hard bristle brush once again and brushing it down, making sure that I mold it onto that last ponytail I made. Once again, you're just going to want to put it in a ponytail, making sure that your ponytail is not too tight, but just secure enough. So now that you guys already seen the process of me slicking down my hair, I'm just going to do the last two sections using those same exact steps, and I'll be back when I'm finished. Alright you guys, now that my hair is on the ponytail, I'm just going to go around the perimeter of my hair and make sure to sleek back all my edges so that there's no flyaways and everything is flat. And more importantly, on the back of my hair, I'm just going to make sure all this is smooth and making sure to catch all them short hairs. So this is what the perimeter of my hair looks like. Afterwards, I'm just going to split my ponytail into three sections and begin braiding it down. For this step, I would suggest detangling your hair before braiding so that it's easier. But in general, you just want to make sure that you have a tight, firm braid. And once I'm done braiding my hair, I'm just going to take a rubber band and tuck the ends of my hair and then just tie it together. And you want to make sure to tuck your hair so that you have a strong base for the hair to stick onto. Next, I'm just going to take some hair wrap and I'm going to fold it where I tucked my hair previously. And then I'm just going to secure it with a rubber band and then begin wrapping it all the way to the top of the ponytail. And for this step in particular, you want to make sure that you're overlapping the paper when you're wrapping it upwards, just to make sure that no glue is able to get on your hair when it's time to glue the tracks on. And then once I'm done wrapping, I'm just going to take a singular rubber band just to secure it. This is the hair I'm going to be using. It's the BREEZY WAVE Organique hair in the color 1B 24 inches. Next up, I'm just going to take some hair glue and I'm just going to apply it all around my ponytail. And guys, this is perfectly safe to use your hands. It rubs right off. Y'all will be perfectly fine. Next up, I'm just going to take my blow dryer and start gluing the hair on. And I'm blow drying on medium hot. In addition, I'm also wrapping the hair counterclockwise. You guys can wrap the hair in whichever way is best for you. But I would suggest just making sure that you wrap it very tight so all parts of the weft are just glued onto the ponytail. Also, I would suggest if you're using two packs like me, wrapping more closely together just so you can have enough space to wrap around the second weft. However, if you are only using one pack, you can wrap as spaced out as you like. Once I get to the end of the hair weft, I'm just going to add some glue and blow dry just so that it's all secured. Afterwards, I'm just going to take a small section of hair from the bottom of the ponytail and detangle it, and then I'm going to begin wrapping it around the ponytail. And you want to make sure that the hair is completely smooth so that you have a good base at the top of the ponytail. And then once that hair starts to run out, you're just going to wrap it a little bit more tightly so that you can tuck it right under the ponytail. After that's all set, I'm just going to take my brush and start brushing the hair starting from the ends. I'm doing this because I didn't like how the curls looked fresh out the pack, so I'm just going to brush them just to make it a little more fluffy. And I'm making sure to spread the hair out so I can get those curls in between. Here, I'm just spraying it with some water and conditioner just to make the hair look more wavy. Next up, I'm just going to gather my hair for some dusting because I want the ends to look more full so it can look more like raw hair because this is synthetic hair. So you always want to make sure to trim the ends of the hair. As I was cutting it, I decided just to take off more, probably just like an inch or two, just so that the hair didn't have feathered ends. This is the final result, you guys. I went ahead and did my edges off camera, but this hairstyle was so cute, so full and lightweight. You guys should most definitely try this hairstyle. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and stay tuned for the next one.